themes. So if you look at my transcripts, you can see I was doing a lot of coding in there. Let's look at this one too. You can see I did some coding in there and I fitted those codes into my themes, okay? So let's look at the next step in deductive thematic analysis, which is revising and reviewing the codes. So basically you look at the codes and you look if they have shared meaning. If they don't, we just leave them. If they do, we match them, okay? So basically for today, I don't have codes that I can match, but if we did, that would be the fourth step of deductive thematic analysis, which is revising the codes. So let's go to the final step of deductive thematic analysis, which is reporting the findings. So here I have the report, which I've taken time to write. And again, I'm going to attach this and provide this for free for those who want to read and probably imitate this report when doing the deductive thematic analysis. So you can see I have tables. I had this table, which was the code book that I was using. And I have another table here showing the coding structure. I'm going to label that as table showing the coding structure. So we have theme, code, interview, excerpt. Then we have the presentation of the findings and the excerpts that we are going to have in there. This is what I did. So I have taken time to present the findings, each theme, its meaning, or the responses that were connected to that theme through deductive thematic analysis, and basically the participant excerpts connected to that theme. So if I was doing this report for my thesis or for my dissertation, I would definitely add more visuals at different points, and the report would be longer because I would now write about all the themes and provide very in-depth descriptions. So this is just a sample, but I hope it will help you to begin writing the findings of your study after conducting the deductive thematic analysis.